This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Wetherington Homes. Our gorgeous Bellhaven model home is now for sale. The Reserve at Cedar Point has brand new homes tucked inside a beautifully established golf club community. Beautiful home featuring wrap front porch and side entry garage. Spacious floor plan with carefully curated design options. On entry, you'll enjoy the roomy foyer, large dining room west/craftsman trim, deluxe kitchen west/quartz countertops, gas cooktop, wall ovens, refrigerator. First floor office. The second floor owner's suite has a huge closet. 4 BRs, plus loft and OFC. Fenced yard. Closing cost assistance avail west/appr'd lender partners. Other homes and lots available. May 10, 2024 for more information.